What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video is not going to just be a complete live trading video. The first half is going to be live trading, and the second half I want to talk about prop firms and compounding personal accounts. So I'm not a prop trader, I'm not funded, I don't push prop firms on my channel because I am a firm believer of trading personal accounts. So that's what I want to talk about on the second half of this video. But the first half, I'm gonna be just trading live, catching supply and demand setup as I always do. And hopefully people can get some value out of this video, man. So stick around to the end of this video because it's gonna be some gems on compounding personal accounts, okay? So let's get it. Today is July 10th, the middle of summer, okay? We literally in the middle of summer. The year is just moving forward. Like, it's not waiting on nobody, so we gotta get to it, bro. Yeah, so on this video, this is gonna be the first video. Well, this is my first time showing that I'm about to increase my lots. So I usually trade 33 lots on Forex pairs and I trade 12 lots on NAS. But today I'm gonna be trading 15 lots on NAS 100 and 36 lots on Forex pairs. So this is me trying to expand a little bit just to increase my lot size. It's been a minute since I actually increased it, so this should be fun. But yeah, bro, so I'm just gonna wait until setup happens. Right now we have no news for today, so that's pretty good. And yeah, man, I'm just gonna wait until I see something. So let's get it. All right, so we're about to take AUDUSD. I literally just saw this setup last minute. I'm going to mark this up right here. Literally spotted this setup last minute. I didn't even see that this had a gap. So this setup right here is what I just took. I'm getting in a little bit late. Let me zoom in a little bit. I'm getting in a little bit late right here, but yeah, because I'm supposed to be getting in like right here. But it's all good though. So this looked pretty good. Not gonna lie. It's like pretty good. Okay, these rejections, I might have to cut this loss. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it all depends on this candle, honestly. Get ready. Because these rejections is not looking good. I still feel like it want to drop though, but like I said, these rejections at this area right here just don't look good. So it really just depends on these next few candles if I'm going to hold. But yeah, this is just not looking good right now. We still holding on, bro. We still holding on. Bro, we still holding on to this trade, bro. It's literally consolidating. My mental stop loss is above this area right here, but hey, you just don't want to act right. You just don't want to act right. I'm just about to hold. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That's why I didn't close. I still feel like it want to drop. It's just consolidating right now. But yeah, bro. I truly feel like this is still gonna drop. This is a crazy trade, bro. Like, no cap. This is a crazy trade right here. You see, I'm smiling, bro. Like, you feel me? This is a crazy trade. All right, we're gonna end the live trading right there. I wanna get straight into the whole purpose of this video, which is compounding trading accounts. Now, I get a million questions. Okay, Doyle, how did you do it? What was the process of you compounding your account to reach that certain goal? And I wanna just break this down because I don't think I ever made a video about compounding. So let's talk about it. When you're in that compounding phase, what you must understand is you will not be doing too many withdrawals. That's number one. Don't expect for you to be pulling out money from the market because you're trying to reach a certain threshold. You're trying to reach a certain amount before you start pulling out money. So when I was at 10K in my trading account, I'm still not pulling out no money. When I'm at 20K in my trading account, I'm not pulling out no money. I need it to be larger so when I do pull out, it's a lot of money. You feel me? So ask yourself, what is the goal? Are you trying to grow your 10K to 50K, or you threw in 25K, you're trying to get it to 75K? What is your goal? Everybody's goal is different. I just knew my cost of living wasn't a lot, so I didn't need a straight up 100K account in my own funds to live off of when I was in Detroit. Now today, definitely can't live off 50K, but when I was in Detroit, cost of living is a little bit cheaper. Now, when I was in college, I was throwing in my 9-to-5 checks into my trading account. I was also using refund checks because the refund checks was a lot of money too. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was off of scholarships and I was off of student loans, unfortunately. But that helped me to start up my trading account. So my refund checks was between like 5K, 6K sometimes, and that was per semester too, like per semester. So we talking about I can get 14K, I can get 7K from fall semester and another 7K for spring semester. That's 14K right there. And I was in college for 4 years. I almost graduated. But that whole time I was stacking. I was not buying nothing expensive. I was driving a hoopty. Like, I was in college just saving. So thank God that I ran into Forex when I did have money put up, because it was just the perfect opportunity. And I feel like trading is much more easier when you already have money. It's harder when you don't have money. You feel me? So the compounding phase, of course, you got to have an extra stream of income. You got to work your 9-to-5. You got to do what you got to do. But if you're not disciplined during the journey, none of that matters. If you don't have a proven profitable strategy that works, none of that matters. Literally, none of it matters. You feel me? So step number one, you got to already be a disciplined trader. If you're not disciplined to your rules, it's over with. Beginning of my journey, I was trading Fibonacci. $200 a day, I am done. I'm going to work. That's all I did. I kept doing it. $200, I'm going to work. Get off work, study a little bit, wake up next morning, New York session, $200 a day, go to work. So disciplined on that. And then my Friday check, $400, some checks. Sometimes if I call off, it'd be $300 checks, and I'm still throwing majority of that in. Now remember, you gotta remember, my cost of living was super low, okay? And I was still stacking for years in college before I even ran into Forex. So it's just like, you gotta understand, man, it's really a long journey when you're trying to grow a personal account. That's why people do prop firms. Now, I don't push prop firms onto my channel because that's not the route that I took. I'm not funded. I feel like personal accounts is true freedom, but everybody don't have that yet, so they have to go the prop firm route. But what I'm telling you is, you got to have a proven strategy that works, period. You got to be disciplined during the journey when you're trying to compound. All right, my bad, man. People started staring at me. I had to literally change locations. Now, let's continue. Like I said, a proven profitable strategy and discipline is going to help you compound your account. Now, again, this advice, it have nothing to do with strategy. I don't expect everybody to watch my channel that trade like me. Absolutely not. It's so many strategies out there. I'm not going to push mine onto you, okay? The last thing that I would say as far as compounding your trading account is patience, man. Like, you got to have patience. If you don't have patience, you will blow your account. I know by experience. Me trying to get a 100% return, a 50% return. No, that is not how trading works. It's a slow game when it comes to growing our account. Like, people are not used to trying to save up, add it to your trading account, win some trades, be disciplined, and do that for a few years. That takes a lot of time and discipline. A lot of people can't do it. That's why people do the prop firm route. But what I'm telling you, if you really don't want to do the prop firm route, you need discipline, you need a proven profitable strategy, you need patience, and you got to be consistent in everything that you do, okay? So that's really all I want to say on this. growing and compounding is a long-term game. It's very stressful, bro, because I was having losing weeks too. Don't get me wrong, I'm not having a proper week every single week. Absolutely not. Like, it was a journey, bro. That's why a lot of people do the prop firm route, but just know, man, it's a struggle to build personal funds, man. It's a struggle. That's why refund checks, 9-to-5 money, trying to find ways to invest my capital to bring in more money just so I can add it to my trading account. So it's definitely a journey, bro, but it's worth it because once you got your own trading account, bro, I'm withdrawing whenever I want to, bro. I'm doing whatever I want to. But everybody don't have that luxury, so I'm telling you right now, compounding your trading account is very tough. But it can be done, though, with a lot of discipline. But that's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.